What if I told you that you could make money without waking up early, without knowing how to code, and without being a tech expert? What if a computer could do the work for you? For the past 30 days, I let AI work instead of me. And the results shocked me more than I expected. This isn't a scam. This isn't a fantasy. This is what actually happened. When I started, I was nervous. Everyone online talks about AI like it's magic. AI will change the world. AI will make you rich, but I didn't believe it. Not until I tried it myself. I told myself, what if I stop watching AI success stories and actually become one? So I made a plan. I would give AI the jobs I usually struggled with: writing, editing, designing, planning, and even finding clients. For 30 days, AI was my digital employee. I thought, if I'm going to do this, I need to go all in. I decided to list out all the tasks that consume my time. The first one was content creation, writing articles, scripts, social media posts. It takes hours. Then there's design, creating thumbnails, graphics, presentations. I'm not a designer, so this is always a struggle. And what about planning? Organizing my weeks, my projects, my goals. It's a mess of sticky notes and half-finished to-do lists. Finally, the big one, finding clients. This is the hardest part for so many people. Cold emails, networking, selling yourself, it's exhausting. So, my mission was clear. For each of these painful tasks, I would find an AI tool to do it for me. I wanted to see if I could build a business from scratch, with AI as my only employee. The first week was full of mistakes. I didn't know which tools to use or how to use them. I spent hours just watching tutorials and trying to figure out which AI was the real deal and which was just hype, but then I discovered the basics. For writing and brainstorming ideas, I leaned heavily on ChatGPT. It became my creative partner. For videos and voiceovers, a combination of CapCut and ElevenLabs was a game changer. Suddenly, I could create professional-sounding videos without a microphone or a fancy camera. For design, I used Canva's AI features, which let me generate images and layouts with simple text prompts. Building a website, Framer let me create a stunning site in under an hour just by describing what I wanted. To keep everything organized, Notion AI became my project manager. And to tie it all together, I used automation tools to connect everything, saving me even more time. Instead of spending hours stuck on one task, AI helped me finish in minutes. And that's when I realized I wasn't working harder anymore, I was working smarter. This wasn't about replacing my skills, it was about amplifying them. Now it was time to see if AI could make me money. And here's the trick I learned: you don't get paid for using AI. You get paid for what you can create with it. The AI is the tool, but you're the service provider. So, armed with my new AI toolkit, I started offering services I knew small businesses needed, but often couldn't afford. I offered to create short-form videos for their social media. I offered to write compelling product descriptions for their online stores. I packaged up social media content creation, offering a month's worth of posts for a flat fee. I even offered to build simple, clean websites using the AI tools I'd just learned. I was nervous sending my first message to a potential client, but I kept it simple. I said, "Hey, I use AI to help businesses grow. Do you want me to make something for you?" To my surprise, people responded. Within days, I got paid. It wasn't a lot at first, just a small project here and there, but it was enough to make me believe this works. I wasn't a professional writer or a video editor. I wasn't an expert web designer, but AI helped me look like one. The money wasn't just a dream anymore, it was real. It was in my bank account. Something changed in week 3. Clients started coming to me. Why? Because AI allowed me to deliver quality work incredibly fast. A set of social media graphics that would have taken a traditional designer a week, I could deliver in a day. A short video that would have taken days to shoot and edit, I could generate in a few hours. And when you deliver quality, quickly, people talk. Word of mouth started to build momentum. With this new demand, I raised my prices. A $20 gig became a $50 one. A $50 project became a $100 package. I was doing less manual work and earning more. The fear I had at the beginning turned into confidence. The doubt I had about AI turned into real, tangible progress. For the first time in my life, I truly understood what they mean when they say, "Your time is valuable." I wasn't selling my hours anymore. I was selling results, and AI was my secret weapon for delivering those results faster than anyone else. By the fourth week, I was shocked. I took a step back and looked at my life. I wasn't hustling harder. I wasn't stressed out. I wasn't working 10 hours a day, glued to my computer screen. The AI was doing the heavy lifting. My job had shifted from being a doer to being a director. I was the one giving the instructions, reviewing the output, and making the final creative decisions. I was just pressing go. The numbers looked unreal. My income had grown, but more importantly, my freedom had grown with it. I had more time, more energy, and more possibilities opening up in front of me. I stopped asking the question that so many people are afraid of: is AI going to replace me? Instead, I started asking a much more exciting question: how far can AI take me? This wasn't about replacing jobs, it was about redesigning them. This 30-day experiment taught me one thing: AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to free us. It frees us from the tedious, time-consuming tasks so we can focus on the big picture, on creativity, and on strategy. Most people will wait. They'll keep watching videos like this. They'll see others succeed, and they'll make excuses for why they can't do it. But a few people like you will take action. You don't need special skills to start. You don't need anyone's permission. You don't need to wait for the perfect time. The tools are here, right now. AI is already changing lives. The only question left is, will it change yours? Start today. Your future self will thank you.